Nature and Significance of Management, the first and the most important chapter of your class 12 business studies. Management is a very important instrument for any business organization to run. Whether a business organization is small, big, it really doesn't matter. But management का बहुत important role होता है. A management to an organization is like an engine to a car. Have you ever seen a car operated without an engine? क्या कोई भी गाड़ी बिना इंजन के चल सकती है? इसी तरह से कोई भी बिजनेस यूनिट बिना इफेक्टिव मैनेजमेंट से नहीं चल सकता. Like an engine is to car, similarly management is to business. And in this particular chapter, we'll understand the concept of management and we'll study things like effectiveness and efficiency. Then in this chapter, we'll also cover the features of management, commonly known as characteristics of management. Then we'll cover the different levels of management, the top level management, middle level management, and the lower level management. We'll cover the importance of management. We'll study the nature of management, that management is an art, science, or profession. We'll then come down to the functions of management, which are planning, staffing, organizing, directing, controlling. We'll cover the objectives of management, and we'll also cover the process of coordination, and we'll understand its importance and the features. That's what we all do in this particular chapter. So without wasting any time further, we'll start with your preparation and we'll just begin in this chapter, which is nature and significance of management.